Hello there, adventurers! Welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we're going to be asking the question, will patchy beards fill in?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
So, you've been growing your beard for a while, and you know, maybe it's been a while, or maybe you just started and something seems off. Cheeks are patchy, underneath are patchy, maybe right underneath here is a little bit patchy, or maybe there's some spots over here, over there, over... Do we have patchy beards? Yes, we have patchy beards. Even people that can grow a very nice looking beard underneath, who knows, it might just all be patches that are being covered up in a very meticulous and well thought out way. It's your journey, it's your story. Now, all that being said, the question of today is, will patchy beards fill in? Simply put, yes. Yes, they will. But here's the thing. The key word for this is grow. Let your beard grow out. A lot of times, some people don't want to have a long beard. Sometimes they struggle with having a patchy beard and they want to keep it short, but then it's obvious that there are patches, so they have to have a certain style and a certain trim and a certain shape, and so much work. So much work when it goes into that. But what you could do is just grow it out. Now, I'm speaking from my own experience here. I'm going to talk about myself and also a friend of mine. Let's talk about my friend first. He has short facial hair. He likes to have the stubble maybe just a little bit longer. And I was talking to him the other day because he was commenting on my beard. He was complimenting me. It was a very nice thing. But he also was talking bad about his own facial hair. He was like, I wish that I could have facial hair a little bit closer to yours, but mine's just patchy and it gets itchy, and he started listing off all of the problems, but he kept mentioning that it's patchy. I said to him, the best way that you can handle this is just let it grow out. Naturally, he was a little hesitant about that, and I completely understand, because with my own experience, and as I'm sure I have told you guys before, my cheeks are patchy, underneath is patchy, and also one of the spots that I definitely struggled with at the very beginning was right underneath here. There was a spot that never grew hair. It was like my chin and back here grew, but nothing directly underneath. It was a little awkward. I hated it. I didn't know what to do. I thought that it was the whole, if you keep shaving that spot, then maybe it'll come back a little bit thicker or stronger. Well, opinions on that aside, what I had to do ultimately was just let it grow out. And I have had plenty of times later on when I'm combing or I'm doing my own routine where I go, this part is no longer patchy. It might not be filled in like a bunch of other spots are, but I've noticed that with everything coming together, the look of it is no longer patchy, and it makes me feel a little bit more confident about my facial hair growth process. So a patchy beard, yeah, it can be a little problematic, and honestly, it might be a little embarrassing. But the key thing that you need to do is grow it out. Sure, it might come across as a little uneven, disproportional at first. Some parts might be longer than others, and yeah, I understand that it's going to be a little annoying. But after that time has come and you feel as though things have filled in a bit more, shape it up. That's okay. That's why some people go to a barber. That's why some people learn to do it themselves, so they know how their beard forms the best. It's your journey. That's something that I really love about this company and this community, is that each beard has a story. It's almost like that's what this company is about. So guys, to summarize, will your patchy beards fill in? Yes, the best way to do that is to let it grow. So in the end, it's okay if it takes a little bit of time to grow out some of those spots and to fill in some of those patches. Guys, again, it's your journey. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. If you have a different experience with patchy beards, or you have some advice that you would like to share that I have not mentioned, please comment that down below in the comment section. Do not forget that anytime you go to make a purchase from Fable Beard Company, please put in the discount code THEAPPRENTICE to get 25% off your next purchase. And as always, may your beards be forever blessed. and fortune, treasure, and knowledge forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.